Have you ever gotten a nightmare from a skincare product? I did. The Origina's popular but notorious HA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution traumatized me both visually and physically. Want to hear this story? Keep on watching. Hello, this is Diba. I love science skincare, science of skincare, and today I'll be talking about how this at-home peeling solution can make or break your skin. Ordinary peeling solution took the internet by storm. I really got scared and shocked when I first saw this because in its ads it looked like people were pouring blood from bottle onto their face. And I told myself that I'll never try something like this in my life because it looked kind of gross to me. And I also felt that my skin would peel off if I tried something like this. But then I learned that it's exactly what it's supposed to do. The job of the ordinary peeling solution is to peel off the dead skin cells from the topmost layer of our skin. And by doing so, it's supposed to reveal a brighter, glowy, healthy-looking skin from underneath. The glowy and brighter part got me. You know, I was young back then, so I decided to try it out. And it burned my skin. The first time I tried the peeling solution, the burning was so bad that I couldn't even put it for 1 minute on my face. I immediately washed it off and my skin felt quite red afterwards. I was really scared thinking that I've probably ruined my skin barrier, but it was the other way around. I will explain it soon, but after that terrible experience, I didn't try ordinary peeling solution for another year. And this time, I took a different approach. I researched everything I could do about this product and tried it again. And guess what? This time, my experience was different. Did I benefit from it? Am I still using it? Would I recommend it? Before answering these questions, I want to share what I did wrong the first time I tried it and what you must avoid if you don't want to get burnt like me. Mistake number 1, not using chemical exfoliators before. The ordinary peeling solution contains 30% of alpha hydroxy acid and 2% of salicylic acid. And this is the highest you can get in any over-the-counter product. If you've never used any chemical exfoliators before, don't try this product. Don't even look at it because the chance is really high that your skin won't be able to tolerate it. I did use some AHA product before using it, but not any true BHA product. And this is one of the mistakes I did when I first tried out this peeling solution. My skin was simply not ready. Mistake number 2, no patch testing. If you do a patch test before trying a new product, it can save you on a lot of irritation, allergic reaction later on. Patch testing is very simple. Just apply a small amount of product in a small area near the face. For example, it could be behind your ear or on the neck and leave it on for a few hours to check for any adverse reaction. Do this test for 3 consecutive days. And if everything is still fine, then your product has passed the patch test and it's safe to use. Mistake number 3, applying too much. When I used this product for the first time, I was inspired by the influencers and ads like this. Painting your face red with the solution and imagining yourself as the queen of vampire land. That's exactly what I did. But that's not actually what you're supposed to do. You see, this formula is very potent. Probably more than you can imagine. So, less is more. Now I only use 3 drops from this. Yes, 3 drops is enough for my whole face. Yes, it doesn't make me look like a vampire queen, but it does its job. Yes, you might need more or less depending on your face size, but you don't need to look like a red monster to make it work. Mistake number 4, leaving on skin for too long. The Ordinary directs to wash off this product after 10 minutes. Do not leave it on skin for more than that. I now use an alarm clock to remind me that it's been 10 minutes. You can wash it off earlier if you want, but never leave it for more than 10 minutes. Mistake number 5, applying on damp skin. When our skin is wet or damp, it becomes more permeable, meaning products can penetrate more easily into the deeper layers of our skin. And this is not something we should hope for when it comes to strong active products like this peeling solution. It's already designed to penetrate our skin as much as necessary, but if we push for more, it will damage our skin barrier. Mistake number 6, using it too frequently. The Ordinary recommends not using this product more than twice a week. But my skin can't even tolerate that much. I use once in every 15 days. And for you guys, I recommend not using it more than once a week, even if it seems that your skin is tolerating it. Because honestly, our skin doesn't produce as much dead skin cells that you'd need such a strong exfoliator twice a week. And as I explained in the skin barrier video, some dead skin cells are actually necessary for our skin. Mistake number 7. Applying on sensitive or damaged skin. This is the mistake that made me give up on the product the first time I tried it. Remember what I said about this product burning my face as soon as applied? And I thought it damaged my skin barrier? Well, it turned out my skin barrier was already damaged. And that's why the product burned so much. Our skin barrier can get damaged due to a number of reasons. I discussed them at great length in this video. Never apply such strong actives when your skin is already damaged or irritated. I discussed how you can tell if your skin barrier is damaged in this video. Anyway, after I took some break, gave my skin the time to heal, I made sure that my skin is properly hydrated and moisturized. I was able to tolerate peeling solution for 10 minutes. So now this is the only exfoliator I use, and I use it twice a month. And that's enough for my skin. I definitely recommend it for mature skin or for people who has advanced skincare routine. But this is not for beginners, and it might not be suitable for people with sensitive skin. I often advise people to be patient and take it slow when it comes to skincare. And this is particularly what I'd like to remind you about the ordinary peeling solution. If you use it properly, it can change your whole skincare game. But if you misuse it or don't use it as directed by the ordinary, you can really damage your skin. So I hope this was a helpful guide for you guys about the ordinary peeling solution. If you have any more questions, leave it below. See you next time. Till then, take care for yourself. And remember, love the skin you're in. This is Diba, signing off today from Diba's Quest.